Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn what are the comparison operator in Python. Let's open the folder and let me open the VS Code. Then I'm going to create a new file over here, tut5.py, and let's start. Basically, what is the definition of comparison operator? Its definition is comparison operator are used to compare values. What we are going to discuss today: comparison operators in Python. Comparison operator in Python. So used to compare values. They return Boolean values. What does it mean? They return true or false. Let's discuss one by one. The first operator is double equal. Double equal, it is used to compare two values either equal or not. What does it mean? We say if, let's say I have a equal to 3, b equal to 4. So when we use double equal, it check either a equal to b or not. If it's equal, it return true, otherwise it return false. In this case, it return false. So control plus s, run it. So it return false. So the next operator is less than operator. When we use this operator, it compare the left value with the right value. It returns true if left value is less than the right value. That does mean, let's say a equal to a less than b. So it returns true if a less than b. Let's see the example. Let's say I have a value. Let me comment it first. So let's say I have value a equal to 3 and b equal to 4. So print a less than b. So it returns true because a is 3 and b is 4 and 3 is less than 4. Run it again. So it's true. So and the next operator is greater. So greater. This is the sign greater than operator. What it's do? It's compare if the left value is greater than the right one. So it compare if right value is greater than the left, then it will it compare if the left value is greater than the right, then it return true. Let's say I have value in x equal to 4 and in y I have value, let's say 2, 3. So print a greater than x greater than y. So it return true because x is greater than y. So indentation issue. So control plus s, run it again. So it returned true. So let's discuss the another type of comparison operator, which is less or equal. So what is less or equal? Basically, this operator is used less or equal. It compare the left value with right. Let's say I have a equal to 4 and b equal to 2, and I apply b less or equal to a. So it compare b with a, either b is less than a or equal to a. So b is not equal, but it's less than a, so it's return true. Let's check a equal to 4, b equal to 2, and print out b less or equal to a. So it's true, b is not equal to a, but it's less than a. So let's print it, run it. So it's true. So the other operator and the next operator is, what is it? It's less or equal, now greater or equal. If left value is greater than the right, then or equal to the right, then it will return true. What's mean true? What does it mean? So let's say I have value on x equal to 4 and in b a equal to 4 and b equal to 10. So I'll compare print b greater or equal to a. So it's not equal to a, but b is greater than a, so it's returned true. And the next return true, and the next and the last operator is not equal to. So not equal, this is the method how we write it. Not equal to, it returns true if both values are not equal. What does it mean? Let's see. Again, let's see example 4 and 10. Print not equal to b. So run it again. So it returns true. True. A is not equal to b. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.